Hey all, welcome to Karthik Tech Solution channel. Today in this video session I am gonna to discuss something about until loop. As earlier sessions I have explained something about for loop, something about C style for loop and something about while. As of now only until loop is pending, right? So on which I am gonna to discuss right away. Earlier sessions I have given few examples. Those are mathematical operation and few examples which are some real-time examples, but those are not advanced level that much. Even now which I am gonna to discuss, that is all about until loop, and that too I am not gonna to mention about any advanced thing, because if starting onwards I'll put advanced things, an expert can upgrade itself, an expert can understand it. It means who's are already working as a script writer. But take an example for newcomer, for freshers, they'll not understand, right? So my intention is, let's start from the beginning, and day by day we will be collecting or we will be thinking some different logic. We will, once we get some logic, according to that logic, what is the requirement we need? Based on that, we can go through loops and we can get the work done, right? However it is, by today's session I am going to discuss about until, and I am going to give some example which is basic example. Once you thoroughly understood, then we will switch to advanced thing. Till you understood 100%, I would like to request you, please raise your hand or please write the query in comment section. For a single mistake also, for a single mistake, script will not work. You written the script proper way, somewhere you forgot about and the double quotation, which way script is not going to work. For all newcomers, when you are writing a script, I know you will be facing such kind of issues. Script written the proper way, but somewhere you did not end the double quotation, somewhere you did not end the curly bracket, something like that. That is the reason script is not going to work. Even that also, for your primary session, you will be getting error again to again, but you are unable to fix the issues. For that such cases, you can give the screenshot in comment box. I will be supporting immediately. Well, so this is all about this blah blah kind of things. It means however you will do labor, your path will be that much bright. That's it. The end of the session I would like to say, that's it. So let's go ahead to learn the thing, how we can, by which way we can write a script for a particular logic to operate a mathematical value by until loop. And now my logic is, I want to get print from 1 to 10, from 1 to 10. So when my condition will true, it will work till 10. After that my condition will be false, so it's not going to work. It means it's not going to print from 11 onwards. So when it's 10, print will be stopped. This is what all about it. Now let's go ahead to write this. So I'll give something like until for loop or until loop dot until loop example dot sh. Cban bin bash interpreter. Then if you understood the last session, then you can understand. If you understood the while session, then you can understand this very easily. If you did not go through the while session, I like to request you, before click this until session, please first go through while session thoroughly, then switch to here, so it will be understanding properly. Which while session I said last time? Count equal to, I want to give 1. Count value is 1. So here I will write until square bracket start, then I am going to call count value, then hyphen gt, it means till 10. So count value, it will reach till 10. Then close the bracket. Here you need to give space. Once you close it, then come to next line. Here what you need to do? You need to do. Then you need to call the value. The count value is, the count value is and then you need to give dollar and in curly bracket you need to write count. So it means it's going to call the count value, then end of double quotation. Now you need to give the syntax how it's going to work. First you need to call the count value. Then plus 1. So it's going to, so what is the use of it? First I given count value is 1. Then until I start the square bracket. As I mentioned earlier, when I writing any mathematical operation, that should be in the square bracket. So start square bracket space, then dollar, then in curly bracket write count. Why I written in curly bracket, that is count. I am going to call the count value. Even though if you remove this curly bracket also, it will work. Okay, but that is not the proper procedure. So in curly bracket you should type the count because it's the mathematical value. Now hyphen gt, then 10. It means more than 10 the count value should not cross. Until 10 it will work. Out of 10 it will not going to work. Okay, so this is what the until loop. Now do. Here I mentioned echo. The count value is, it will count, it will call. How it will call? Dollar and in curly bracket write count, then end the double quotation, then come to down. What I mentioned here, count. So how it is going to count? Equal to dollar, then curly bracket start, square bracket start, then it's going to call the count value, then count value plus 1. So count value plus 1, suppose count value count is 1 and then plus 1, so it's going to 1. Count value 0 and plus 1, so it means 1. So count value 1 plus 1, it's 2. Count value 2 plus 1, it's 3. So according to that it's going to calculate, right? So now I'm going to save it and execute it. See, I'm getting the value. Right? Now if you want to do bit edit, you can do that as well. So what I'm gonna to do here, you can come here, echo, I want to give something kind of like that. Then you can save it, then you can execute it, right? See, I'm getting the value like that, right? So this is what the way you can write. And if you want, you can something like you can edit, it's coming directly, right? If you want, you can make sleep also. For what will do, sleep for 3 seconds, and then save it. Then it will give one value, it will sleep for 3 seconds, and it will give second value, like that it will give. It will be going to reach until unless 10, it's not going to stop. When it's 10, then it's going to stop. Now done. Now my condition is false. After 10 my condition is false, so it's not going to work, right? So this is what all about until basic script. After this I'll give the advanced level of script based on for loop, based on C style for loop, based on while, based on until as well. Okay, so before you carry on your session, I'd like to request you, please go through thoroughly whichever basic script I uploaded in channel related to loop, for all loop, for C style for loop, while loop, and until loop. You thoroughly understood all those things, then switch to advanced level, right? So anyway, this is all about this until. If somewhere still you are getting any confusion, any doubt, please write in the comment box, I'll respond. I like to request you, please do like, share and subscribe my channel, so for that when I'm uploading any new video sessions related to step by step different concept, you will get notification. And once you get notification, you can click that video, you can watch it, you can grab the skill sets, you can upgrade as well, right? So anyway, thanks all to each one for giving very nice feedback as well as thankful comment. And yeah, anyway, thanks to click this video.